Let's just leave that cat.
I don't know. It really wants me.
Anak, let's leave that cat na.
It's still following me. Mommy,
Yeah.
why am I stinky? No, the flies wants me. Why do they like me?
Because you're one of them.
No?
Yeah.
Mommy,
Yes.
I think you know why is it following me. Because he did it.
Anak, that's not a dog. You say meow, meow.
No! Mommy, papansin ako. Come with me. Bakit? Kasi it's looking for its mom.
Yeah, maybe it's looking for his mom. Cash, put him on a plastic na lang.
Mommy, I think I know why is he following us.
Why?
Chicken.
Oo, sige, leave it to the chicken.
Eh. Here, chicken fries.
Ayan. Anak, go to the chicken. Dali, he's following you. Stay on the chicken, anak. Stay on the chicken. If he smells that. Anak, yeah.
Yay! Bye-bye!
No daw. Sabi niya, no. Anak, stay muna dito sa may chicken. Para... He peed.
He peed?
Yeah, there. Stay ka muna dyan.
He doesn't care about the chicken.
Kasi it's not a dog. That's why.
Leaf or plastic?
Fish.
You want them to laugh?
He likes you.
You're gonna send this to Facebook, right?
No?
Yes. We are. That's why.
I'll upload this in your YouTube.
Cup? Hot chocolate.
Anak, are you gonna abandon that cat?
I have no idea.
Find the other cat.
Is there another cup? Hurry! Finding your mommy. It really wants me. Bird. Eat the bird. No. I wouldn't. It might die, diba?
Ah, sige, try mo.
No.
Let's see.
Yes! One signal.